Hello everybody. Today we are going to go for the poem Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinney. Summary of the poem. The poet Coates Kinney expresses his joy of listening to the raindrops falling on the roof as he lies on his bed hugging his pillow. As dark, humid clouds cover the sky and the darkness shows its sadness by weeping in the form of rain, the poet feels blissful as he lies on his cottage chamber bed, recollecting the sweet memories of his mother in his childhood, where she would look at the poet and his siblings sleep and never disturb them from their dreams. The sound of the raindrops weave a collection of memories in his mind. Explanation of the first stanza. In the first stanza, the poet describes the darkness as melancholy, which means sad or depressed, where the raindrops are symbolized as tears of darkness. Clouds cover the sky, and as the darkness gently weeps due to sadness, the poet, on the other hand, feels immense joy as he lies hugging his pillow on his cottage chamber bed, listening to the soft patter of the raindrops. Second stanza. The poet hears the sound of every drop of rain that falls on the tiles of the roof echo in his heart as he enjoys listening to the patter of the rain. As he lies listening to the patter, his mind gets busy recollecting many memories and weaves them together. Explanation of the third stanza. Now, as the poet recollects his childhood memories, listening to the patter of the raindrops on the tiles of the roof, his mother comes to his mind, where, as a child, he would be fast asleep along with his siblings, and his mother would admire her child or her children dreaming, but she would never disturb them. He imagines her fond look on him as he lies in his chamber bed, listening to the repeated patter of the raindrops on the shingles, that is, the tiles of his roof. Let's get to know the rhyme scheme and the life skills of the poem. The rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. The life skills that we learn: being aesthetic, that is, finding beauty in whatever you see, finding beauty in nature, finding beauty in things around you. Family bonding, the bonding that you get to see in this poem between the poet and his siblings, his mother, and positive thinking, etc. Thank you.